Welcome back to How to Tutorials. Today I have something to show you, the Windows 12 concept. Let's see what is new in the Windows 12 concept. And actually I didn't work in Microsoft. This is only a concept. No ISO download, but I'll give you the PowerPoint concept in the description below, okay? Now let's see. Let's see the OOBE. Oh, next. Checking for updates. After start, next. Add a Microsoft account. I'll set up for our personal use and then next. Center line. Next. Use creativity and full work. Next. Customize taskbar. Start button. Search. Task view. Widgets. Chat and File Explorer. Done. Exploding. Project update. We have arrived in Windows 12. Let's see what's new in the start menu. I think recommended is redesigned into quick access. Now, there are the new features. We design start menu, some start button. This is the redesigned start button. It's like a window, and it's rounded, not like a square. Recommended is no quick access. Like this, you didn't see recommended in down here, but it's no quick access, which is here. This is an OOBE. This. This. And this is an OOBE. It is a Microsoft Store. I will show it, and you can directly install Android apps through the Microsoft Store. Like this, in Windows 11, you know what? You need Amazon App Store to install the Android apps. But in Windows 12, in my concept, you can directly install Android apps through the Microsoft Store. Isn't that cool? I know, that's cool. And now we're done. We're done through the concept. And now, bye-bye. See you later. Bye-bye.